Oh, chat. Y'all remember when I dropped that video of the Porsche, or the Fabspeed custom exhaust?
Hey, they don't cut you a little Porsche.
You see that, huh? Shit fly. Yo, is my name in that? My name is in that, bro.
It says Playmaker Edition, Porsche. That's hard, gang. That's a one-on-one exhaust right there.
I don't even know what to say. That's crazy. That's sick. This is them. That shit came out sexy. Yeah. Sexy as hell. I've been burning that shit up, I'm not gonna lie. I've been burning that shit up, bro.
Demons in my head again, let me grip my lyric pen. Fire burning from my junk, smoking now I'm pulling stunts. I won't stop, so don't confront too much. A boss to be a grunt. Watch my back and also front. You drop it off, I pick it up. Pockets a mean one, heavy like machine gun. Like you wanted, my opponents never on it. I ain't thinking about tomorrow, only thinking about the moment. Feel the rush from the buck jump. 20s in my loaded trunk. Like you wanted, my opponents never on it. I ain't thinking about tomorrow, only thinking about the moment. Feel the rush from the buck jump. 20s in my loaded trunk. Watch me make another hit. Yeah, I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm tripping.
That shit sound good. These stickers, wait, I need a sticker. I want to fuck up my car a little bit. I'm gonna sticker my shit up. Wait, I want to take one more, I'm not gonna lie. I want to put one on my Porsche. Well, y'all don't know I got another one too.
He knows.
Okay. I'm gonna send that over there too. Now when that shit finished, cause I need to get that as best as possible, like OD best as possible.
Yep.
If it still feel good, I'm keeping it.
Feel the same. Yeah.
I'm telling you now, if it still feels good, I'm keeping it.
513 Auto Gallery.
All right, I got
We out here. We got
I got
$16 million cars. We got my dream car up there. No, come on.
That shit came out sexy. Sexy as hell.